Hello friends, in this video I will repair this projector. I will show you how this works and you will learn how you can repair a projector like this. Let's begin. So I've bought this LED projector from Amazon Return and I tested and was not working. Most difficult part was to take out this front glass because this is outdoor floodlight. So after I took out the glass, this is very simple. I forgot to tell you that I've decided to make this video after I started to repair. First of all, now let's see how this works. If you want to repair a projector like this, you have to be extra careful because here it's main voltage. It's dangerous if you don't know what you are doing. Now let's see how this works and how you can repair a projector like this. Here you can see there are two LEDs missing. They had a black spot in the middle, and this was a good sign that they were broken. But now let's act like we have those LEDs there. You have to measure this step by step. This is a protection for overvoltage. These are two power resistors. This is a bridge rectifier and the circuits come here. This is an IC LED driver who gives constant current, and we'll discuss about this later. And you can see these 5 ICs, they are put in parallel and they limit the current. And here there is an array. We have two LEDs in parallel and all these are in series. Now let's see how you can repair. If you open a projector like this and you see a LED with a big black spot, you have to take out this LED. And why I think that LED was broken, I think first of all one of the LEDs was fault, and after that it has too much power for a single LED, and that's why second LED got fault too. Now let's assume that you don't see that any of these LEDs are broken. Let's see how you can repair this in the worst case scenario. Now I will power this to the main. First of all, let's check the main voltage. Main voltage is good. Now let's check the voltage after these two power resistors. Voltage is good. Now let's measure continuous voltage after bridge rectifier. We have 200 volts. So bridge rectifier is good. And now you have to measure every pair from the beginning to the end. I will begin with this pair of LEDs. As you can see, there is no voltage. And you measure one by one, and where the LEDs are fault, they are interrupted. And here where the LEDs are missing, you can see we can measure 87 volts. This is a sign that these LEDs are bad. And as you can see, there is a small difference of light between all these LEDs. They all should light the same. Now I've turned off the main power, and after you found the fault LEDs, you have to take down the fault LEDs, and after that you have to make a short circuit between these 2 points, 2 power LEDs. You don't have to worry because these ICs limit the current through all LEDs, and I think that if you can control these 5 ICs, you can control step by step the power of the light. Now let's make a short circuit instead of those fault LEDs. So I've made the short circuit instead of those 2 fault LEDs. Now let's power on and see what happens. As you can see, now this works. They use the case heatsink, and I can feel that the case is getting warm. Now you can see a close picture with this PCB. And now let's talk about this IC and see how this works. You can see the schematic of the IC. It's very simple. It has input, output, and resistor and shunt resistor. Adjusting the value of the resistor, you can adjust the value of the current. This IC on this PCB has 8.2 ohms. The current it's about 0.6 over 8.2. And because we have 5 circuits like this in parallel, to obtain the total current you have to multiply this current by 5. If you have any questions, please put it in a comment. And if you made it so far, please give a big like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.